Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Nick and I'm back with another video, back with another banger as usual, guys. Today we got the 135. We are going to be installing a boost gauge. Well, it's a P3 gauge. It's called P3 gauge. Basically what this does, it installs into your driver's side AC vent. From there on, it basically has a little digital screen that shows you boost gauge, RPM gauge with like shift indicator lights, all this cool stuff. So I'm excited to test it out today, see how it runs, see how it looks for sure. So yeah, guys, let's get into it.
To the wall.
Hey, look at this, bro. Guys, so this is a pretty simple install. There's no like splicing or anything like that required. I did order this gauge pre-installed into the vent. I know it's like an extra, I believe an extra like $100, but honestly it makes it look just that much better. They know what they're doing. I didn't want to bother kind of cutting into it, so. Oh, bro. This looks good. It's gonna look good. It's an OEM vent. All right, guys. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna run through the instruction manual. They provided one for us. We're gonna check out how everything works. Honestly, we're gonna start installing it. Throughout the installation, we'll talk a little bit about how to install it as well. So yeah, guys, let's get into it. Alright guys, so basically we just looked through the installation guide and actually there's no boost line required. So I think this is more of a newer version. This is, I think, their newest version or latest version of the P3 gauge. So realistically we have the information right here. All it does is just go from the display, which we have the harness here running from the display. It goes to the control box. From the control box it runs to this main harness, and from this harness we just run it into the OBD2 port. So honestly this is a relatively simple install. We're just gonna go ahead and take off the vent, take off the lower footwell panels, and realistically just get into installing it and testing it out. So yeah, guys.
Heck yeah, bro. Woo.
All right, guys, basically what we did is we took off the footwell underneath here. We took off the side kick panel. We did also take off the side cover right here and the original AC vent. Realistically, what we're gonna do now is just run this cable through the dashboard right here, just like this. Make sure we get it sitting right. It is an OEM piece, so it shouldn't have issues with the fitment. Sounds really weird, bro. So we got that in. Basically what we're gonna do is run these cables now. It's an Ethernet cable that runs into this control box. We're gonna run that here. I think from here we just run, that's that. So there is 3 extra cables that run here for analog 1, analog 2, and an optional dimmer setting that you guys can have. So we're not gonna go ahead and run any of these cables today. I'm just content with having the digital stuff. I'm more than excited to just test it out rather than put all this stuff in. So basically what we did is we connected the other side of the control box. What we're gonna do now is run this OBD connector into the OBD port, basically tuck everything in, throw all the panels back in, try it out. So yeah, guys, let's do it. Just, oh, it's up, bro.
It's already working?
Yeah. I'm gonna run it like this to where it's not gonna be in the way of anything. Something like that is good.
Sweet.
Realistically, guys, I'm just tucking it in here to the side. This should be enough to just cover everything up. There's really no other wiring or any kind of stuff like that, just metal and plastic, so should be good just like that. We're gonna go ahead and start up the car. Whew. Oh, that looks so clean, bro.
There we go.
Oh, there you go. That's for boost right here. It just said boost on it. I think this one's reading boost. I think you basically coolant. So it runs, I think this runs coolant level. Wow, bro.
Oh, wow.
This
Dude.
is sick, bro.
Dude, that's
This
crazy.
looks so good. The quality, bro.
It actually does look really nice.
It's like the digital quality of it is like actually really, really clean. Okay, speed. Oh, bro, you could put the speed on here. That's really sick.
Battery voltage.
Yeah, I think that was RPM, right? There you go. This is RPM.
Oh, snap.
That's actually so dope, bro. Oh, intake air temperature.
Oh.
That's the air temp for the air, for the intake. So that's actually really good.
It's actually good to know.
Yeah, this stuff is good to know for sure because guys, so it basically has the intake air temperature, which is actually really good. It's just gonna keep climbing up right now though because
it's gonna get hotter.
It's gonna get hotter and hotter. But yeah, this is actually really good to test out because you could kind of test out your cold air intakes and see really how helpful they are compared to like stock intakes, temperature wise. So that's actually really cool. 60 to 130, 0 to 60 times. How do I do it to where I'm ready? Oh, I think as soon as I take off, it'll read it.
But we're gonna have to try these out.
Oh, we're gonna have to try these out, bro. What? This is actually so cool.
That's sick.
All right, guys. Man, this thing works. It was actually a really simple install, right, Johnny?
It's pretty easy.
I mean, like
anybody could do it.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and throw everything back on, and let's give it some test pulls, bro.
Yes, sir.
Seconds. 5.3 seconds though. I mean, for a manual,
it's not bad. I mean,
it's still pretty bad, bro.
I think it was because you were losing a lot of traction, and you might have been rolling a little bit for like half a second at least when you started.
Yeah, I did.
So I don't know if it's a really fair, accurate rating.
Yeah, we could try another one. Yeah, try another one.
Yeah.
There you go.
Heck yeah.
4.8, 4.79.
That's better. Bro,
I mean, we just shaved off.
Rips, bro.
We just shaved off like 5 seconds, bro.
Bro, your shifts are super quick, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Really?
Yeah.
Seconds, bro?
Is that possible?
Did we just really hit that in 3 seconds?
3 seconds? What? What the heck, bro?
I don't know if that's accurate, bro.
Accurate? I don't know if that's accurate, dude.
We might just have to go and rewatch that. Did we just hit 0 to 60 on a manual 135 in 3 seconds?
What the heck, bro? That'd be crazy, dude.
We're gonna have to go and rewatch that, bro.
Bro, that was insane. I mean, like that's not really possible.
That launch was like probably the best one yet, but dude, that was
a really good one. It hooked and everything because the tires are probably warmer now.
Yeah, it was a little too fast,
bro. That was a little, yeah. Honestly though, what the heck? That was crazy.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that'll pretty much conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I mean, that thing is really sick. This install is really simple. Like I said, we didn't do any of the additional stuff. This is more just the basic, the plug and play type of way to do it. So honestly, it's awesome. This car rips, guys. I mean, it's doing so well. I know we really need to get some inlets. We need to get some upgraded turbos to really start pushing some power and maybe just go out on the streets some days and get some runs in. But
races.
Yes, sir. But yeah, guys, I will have my Instagram right here. I'll have Johnny's Instagram right here. Be sure to follow us on Instagram. Be sure to follow us on YouTube. Johnny's got an N54 now too. We're about to be pushing some power, some N54 boys. Yeah, guys, as always, I hope you learned something new, and I'll catch you in the next one.